Hey Riders!
Hi, Riders.
Today we are going to do our omelet. We didn't get the chance to do it when we were camping, so today we got Tyler to help us and we'll show you how it's done. So Tyler is just cutting up our mini sweet peppers. We're just doing a couple. How many omelets do you want to do?
However many.
We'll probably do like one or two.
We could feed the neighborhood.
Yeah. So she is just pulling out the seeds right now. They're not the easiest to do, but these are actually really sweet. There you don't. Do peppers cut your eyes? Or cut your eyes. Do peppers burn your eyes when you cut them? Because I've never done the other ones, the hot ones.
And these are the peppers that I use when I do my barbecue chicken.
Very, very good.
I put these in my barbecue sauce along with pineapple.
Pineapple, yeah.
And pineapple juice.
So these seeds, I don't think they're hot where they're sweet peppers, but we'll just have her cut these up real quick. And then I'm going to do the onion after she's done with that. Our ingredients are the eggs, of course, the ham, diced ham, sweet peppers, and sharp cheese with some onion.
Yep.
They're gonna be good omelets. I used to have a patient that I cooked an omelet for religiously every day. You remember that?
Mm-hmm.
That's how I learned how to do them because I never did omelets before that. Slippery buggers. Perfect. So we'll have her cut up the rest of these. She's just got these two peppers left. And then as John crunches on them in the background, we'll have her cut these peppers up and then we'll get right back to you. So now we are just cutting up the onion. I saved it in a bag, so when I do that I like to cut off the ends just because it looks like it's a little dry usually. So I'll cut off the ends and not use that part. I'm trying to decide what's going to be the best way. Sometimes I'll cut it like this, sometimes I'll cut it like this, which is probably what I'm going to do.
You know, on camera that looks like a boob.
That side looks good. And then I'll just kind of do it in bite-sized pieces. You don't want any big chunks of onions in your omelet. I mean, I might, but John's not the biggest fan of onions. Why won't this go down? And Tyler's finishing her peppers in the background.
Pretty nice knife set you have there.
Yes, I got it from my sweet, sweet husband.
Because I'm a nutso when it comes to knives.
Yes. He's got probably like between like what, tactical knives and
Hunting knives,
hunting knives.
gutting knives, fillet knives, pocket knives.
I'd say close to, you counted them once, you had like what, 25 of them or something?
Oh, we're way higher now.
Oh, yeah.
We're probably like in the 50 range.
Oh, geez.
Yeah. You know what I want for Christmas?
I didn't like the knives that she was using. I was always having to sharpen them. So I got these, and they're actually a German titanium.
Yeah. German steel or something like that.
And I haven't had to sharpen them yet.
Yeah, they haven't got, and I got them last year for Christmas. And I use them quite a bit because I love cooking, even though I don't do it so much anymore. I love cutting stuff up. What do you want for Christmas, Ty? Nice. For camping? Or just regular?
Just knives and
Matches.
matches.
She loves her matches.
She is a pyro, just like Daddy.
Yep, like father, like daughter.
You know they have that flaming cotton.
Oh, that's right. What we saw that on a
It was Daniel Tosh.
Daniel Tosh. That's right. I'm gonna throw these in
Need
the
Tosh to
charger.
get some
Flaming
flaming
cotton.
cotton.
That would be funny. Do a video with that. YouTube. That'd be terrible. I mean, terrible good.
That'd be great.
And she loves her onions. Yeah, these ones are. I think it's just a regular yellow onion, but sometimes I'll go through and just break up the little pieces because they don't like to get broke up very easily when you cut them. So after that, put my onion back in my bag, and then we will get our eggs. Ooh, I just started to water a little bit.
I know, I'm catching it all up here. I'm standing up here on a chair above them. I feel tall.
So we got that. Ty's got her peppers. Oh, I know it's just. So we'll get our bowl. We'll probably just do like, what, 2 eggs each, you think, per omelet? I'm gonna get the pan heated. Get the pan heated up.
Do you want to put all the things in the bowl?
No, because we'll do some separate. So we'll do 2 eggs, and then I'll have you put some peppers. Actually, we'll do it when they're in the pan, because that way I gotta think about how I'm gonna do this. Oop.
You gotta think about how you're gonna crack an egg.
No, not crack an egg. How I'm gonna put it in the pan, like if I should just do it all scrambled like that. Probably, that's probably a good idea. So I'll have Ty scramble that while I'm washing off my hands.
It looks like eggs.
Really? I have no idea.
Who would have known?
Remember the egg game?
Oh yeah, the hitting one.
Oh, that one was fun. We haven't done that for a
You
while.
guys can go back through our videos and find the egg game.
That one was quite fun.
It was challenge roulette. I don't know.
Maybe we'll do one more because that just doesn't look like very much. Yum, yum, yum.
Salmonella.
Do you know that's actually in the shell and not the egg itself?
Really?
Yep, I didn't know that.
Me neither. And I can eat raw cake batter and joy.
Feel safe? Okay, so got that. Go ahead and add some peppers. And I'll add a few onions. Do you want this one first, love?
Sure.
So we won't do very many
Well-
onions.
Do Ty's first.
Okay. Is that all the onion? You put however many peppers you want, and then tell me if you want more onions.
Yeah.
A little bit more? Is that enough or more?
That's good.
Okay.
And then
So-
do ham.
Ham.
Okay. Delicious. And we'll wait to do the cheese because that'll melt pretty quick.
So that's
Do you want to spin?
pre-sliced.
Yeah.
Yes, it is pre-sliced ham.
Smelly. Weird ham.
Smells like weird ham. Smells like ham. Okay. And now,
Look at that color.
it's a fiesta in a bowl. Okay.
Show the bowl,
Oh yeah, go ahead, Ty.
and then I'll meet you over there at the stove.
Okay.
Okay, we'll go to the stove.
So we've got our pan on here. It's nice and warm. I just use the canola oil, cooking spray, whatever. I didn't think it would spray out in a stream like that, but
And if you're using a skillet, use butter. It makes it taste way good.
so now we'll just, okay, don't laugh at me because I don't know if I remember exactly how to do this. And I was always taught or told that never season the eggs until you start to cook them. For whatever reason, I don't know. I don't remember. But sorry, I should have asked if you wanted salt and pepper.
No, it's okay. That's
Do you want any other seasonings?
No.
This is a very awkward position.
Yeah, he's standing up on the counter.
I'm standing over the stove. I'm getting all the smells.
all the delicious aromas. And then you just let that cook until it's all the way cooked through the top. So it's kind of a slower process, but you don't want to cook it too fast because it'll burn the bottom part of the egg. Don't tip over.
Fall on the stove.
Sorry about all the moving, guys.
Do you want me to start making the other omelet?
Sure, you can if you want to. That would be helpful.
Alright, whose omelette is this?
Do you want the next one, love?
Yeah, you can do one. I mean,
Do you want just like the same stuff? Same rations?
yeah, you did good on it. Good pickings.
Okay.
When do you put your cheese on it?
I would wait until, see how you can tell it's still pretty liquid? I would wait until most of that is not liquid. You can see how it kind of seeps out like that, but I would wait until it's mostly cooked, or you can fold it and then just put the cheese on top of the omelet, whichever you decide.
How many eggs? 3?
Yeah. Sometimes I play with the food when I cook it. But yeah, it kind of takes a minute, so sorry guys, it's a little slow.
Looks really good though. You know?
Smells good too, huh?
Avocado is pretty good on
Ooh, I love avocado. I think that'd be way good. You can put whatever you want with it. This is just what we decided to put with it this time. This is what we had packed and ready to go when we went and did our camp night thing.
But somebody forgot to check the propane.
Yep, somebody. We won't say names, babe.
I thought there was enough in there.
But so that's why we're doing it now too. And there's a lot of omelet videos out there. Anybody can do them however you want. This is just how we like to do them.
Yeah, that's how we do them in this house.
This homestead. I don't really know any other way to cook an omelet other than this way. I was just shown, like I said before, when I did one for my patient, I was just shown how to do it like this.
Like how I'd do different, I'd probably put bacon in it.
Ooh.
And then I'd take that queso.
Ooh, queso would be good.
Mix the queso with it. Ooh.
You could just instead of like folding it on each other, just like flip it like a pancake. And
then fold it?
And then you could like put stuff in the middle and then fold it, like avocado or like.
That would be good.
Hash browns.
Mmm. We could do like an all-out, full-blown 10
breakfast in an
ingredient
omelet.
Yeah. So you can see over here how it's not as runny. It's slowly getting there. I like Ty's idea as far as flipping it, but I'm just scared that it's not cooked enough yet, that it'll all slide once I try to, yeah, see how it kind of slides.
He's a thick boy though.
I wonder if I could, should I try it or should I not?
Oh, do it.
Yeah, do
Should
it.
I?
Because if it fails,
See how
that'll
it's
be
still
epic.
an epic, we'll do an epic fail. Here we go, 1, 2. Got it.
Nailed it.
Wow.
That was nice.
Yeah, that's what I was worried about, is it flipping out a little. But now, I guess you could put cheese on it now, because it's warm right here, so it'll melt, and there wasn't much to cook on this side. It's already almost done. So yeah, grab the cheese, and you put however much cheese on it you want. I changed my mind. I'm gonna flip it one more time, because see how that's all.
That's a good idea.
We'll just cook it on that side. Look at the browning. The coloring is beautiful.
My legs hurt. I think I'm getting a Charlie horse.
That's not good. Whoops, as I break it. So turn it this way when I flip it. Again. Dun, da, da, da.
That smells good.
Okay, so now Tyler will put however much cheese on it she would like.
So I just put in my hand and
Yeah,
just.
go for it. You got clean hands. You washed them when you washed the peppers.
Ugh.
Look at all that numminess. I wonder if maybe I should get a lid to kind of help melt it a little. Do you want it semi-melted, or you can put more on if you want? Totally up to you.
No, it's okay.
As it slowly breaks.
Oops. Excuse me. I'll get some plates.
That's probably why I don't flip it, because I forgot it. If you don't flip it or turn it when it's cooked, it'll probably break like that. But that's a pretty good size omelet.
Looks like an egg burrito.
Yeah.
Some like French toast though. I mean French
On the
toast.
plate it goes.
I think it's more like French eggs, not like French toast smells like eggs. Cause
And there's the finished product.
And
Nice
that's how
modeling.
we make omelets in this house.
oh yeah.
And you can do it over an open fire too if you have a skillet.
Yep. That I want to try because I've yet to do an omelet in a skillet. So I think that would be fun.
Try
So
this.
we'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye guys.
Bye.